Hello, guys. Mike, once again with Blue Oryx. Today's topic is going to be a birthday flow on Klaviyo. And this is probably the coolest and most personalized flows that you could put together where somebody gets an automated coupon or an email around the time that their birthday is coming up. Kind of like saying, hey, happy birthday. Your birthday is coming up. Here's 10% on us. And the way we do this, and I'm going to show you. Um, We do it by leveraging Loyalty Lion, which integrates with Klaviyo. So as you can see here, uh, when somebody uh, the rule is completed within Loyalty Lion, basically Loyalty Lion has a process for this to happen, and it sends this what's called custom properties to Klaviyo, and then based on this conditional split, which is total points is greater than 500, based on them using the loyalty program on their birthday, then Klaviyo will send them a message. And we do some A/B testing here as well. So here, essentially, what we're A/B testing is the subject line. If you could notice, it's time to celebrate you. And then here, it's time to celebrate, and it's the person's name. So it looks like the one that won. Oh, it's actually A, believe it or not. It's time to celebrate you with the little emoji actually outbeat it's time to celebrate and then first name with a emoji of a gift. But it was a very slight, it was very tight, 52%. But yes, we always recommend that you A/B test subject lines, A/B test. You can A/B test headers, copy, the length of copy as well as design. So A/B testing is huge in everything that we do. So I just wanted to show you guys how you can plug in a birthday flow onto Klaviyo by using Loyalty Lion. If you would like to know how you could integrate this into your Klaviyo account, or if you don't have Klaviyo yet, um, feel free to click on the link below for a consultation, if you will, see what we can do for you. Email marketing works for DTC brands, also SMS marketing with Attentive. So once again, Mike Sanchez, click on the link for a screen share session. Take care.